Hey guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is literally 4 days away, and if you're one of those people who kind of come up with gifts last minute, this video is for you. These gifts are super affordable, super thoughtful, and totally doable if you're doing this last minute. And these gifts aren't just for Valentine's Day, you could use them for birthday gifts, anniversary gifts. Bottom line is, they're super simple to do and your person will definitely love them. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below what DIY gift you would like to see me do next. Alright, let's get into the video. For this first DIY, the materials you'll need are popsicle sticks, a little container, you can even use a mason jar, a permanent pen or something that will write on wood, paper shred, and optionally sharpies. This DIY is super simple and probably my favorite one. The first thing you're going to do is fill the bottom of your container with some kind of material. I chose paper shred, but you can use anything you want. And all you're going to do is write fun little activities, date ideas on these popsicle sticks. Anything ranging from a boba date or a walk in the park or anything you and your person might like to do together. The great thing about this DIY is that it is totally personalized and adjustable. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can make all of these things, or most of them, something that doesn't require spending money. So like taking a bike ride or having a jam session, those are all free things, but they're still super fun activities. And if you're feeling a little bougie, you can even throw in some actual like dinner dates on these sticks. It's totally up to you. Have fun with this one. And you can do as many or as little sticks as you want. I made 20 of these because my roommate is turning 20 and I'm giving this to her for her birthday. And here I'm just using cardstock to cut out a little tag, hole punching it and writing a sweet little message so my recipient knows exactly what this is. One of my favorite gifts to receive from someone is quality time. It's one of my love languages, and I think just experiences are an amazing gift. So this is perfect if you're kind of on a budget but you still want to give a really meaningful gift. Last thing is to cut a piece of twine, thread your tag through it, and tie it around your container. By the way, I found this container for $1 at Hobby Lobby. They had a lot of different sizes, but you really don't have to buy a container. I'm sure you can use anything you have around your house. And boom, a super simple gift that keeps on giving because you get to experience a bunch of fun things with the other person. For the next DIY, you will be needing some beads of your choice, pliers, headpins, and earring hooks. I found these super cute XO and heart beads from the dollar section at Target, and I'm making these kind of Valentine's Day-y inspired dangly earrings, but this is just an example. You literally could do whatever you want. You can put anything on these headpins as long as they're beads. Using your pliers, you're going to bend the head pin to create an eye pin. And it's kind of hard to tell how I'm doing this in this video, but I will link a video in the description below that shows you a much better job I learned from this video, and now I make all my jewelry like this. Simply loop your earring through this loop that you just made, cut off the excess. I use an old nail clipper, but there's probably a better way to do this. And there you go, you just made a super cute pair of earrings with like 3 materials. This last DIY is also super personalized and simple. You're going to be needing polymer clay, any color of your choice. I found these stamps that are used for baking in a Japanese market, but any kind of letter stamp thing that you can get your hands on, keychains, and a toothpick. When working with polymer clay, you want to break a piece off and knead it so it's soft enough to work with. Once it's malleable enough, you can shape it into any shape you want. I decided, because of Valentine's Day, to do a heart. I think polymer clay is a forgiving medium. You can definitely continue shaping it and smoothing it out and getting rid of the rough edges. The more you work with it, the better you can make it look. So just be patient if this is your first time working with polymer clay. And now for the fun part, you're going to take your cookie stamps. I found these at a local Japanese store, but I will try to find one and link it in the description below for you guys. But I really like this pack because it doesn't only come with the entire alphabet and numbers, but it also comes with like cute little emoji type things. It was a bit tedious to cut out every single letter and also trim off the excess, but it was worth it because I got these super cute letters at the end of it. So now you just need to decide what you want to stamp on your clay. It could literally be anything you want. An anniversary date, a name, a verse, a lyric, an inside joke. The sky's the limit on this one. I'm writing "No Fear in Love" from one of my favorite Bible verses, and I just think it is so fitting for Valentine's Day. After stamping your design, you want to make a hole with your toothpick for the keychain to go through. And sometimes when you push the toothpick through, you can get this like excess on the back. So I'm just taking my X-Acto knife and cutting that out. I literally just dropped it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's still okay. It depends on what brand of clay that you buy, but I always do 275 degrees Fahrenheit on the oven. Take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper, and you're just gonna bake your piece depending on the thickness as well. I usually do 12 to 15 minutes, but make sure you refer back to your clay's directions. Freaking hot. Ah! Come on, I can do this. Come on, come on. I can do this. Using your pliers and a big enough jump ring, you're simply going to attach the keychain to your clay piece. Close up the jump ring, and there you go. A super cute keychain that can say any message you want on it. And that's it. 3 super simple gifts that are adorable and perfect for you last minuters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some good ideas. If you like these kinds of DIY videos, make sure you hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're new here, my hair is usually not blonde. This is new for me.